I'm terrified, but we're going to try it together. The Shine Spray and the Straightener Hack. So you completely saturate your hair with the Shine Spray. This one is a heat protectant as well, which makes me not freak out as much. And then we're going to try it together. But I saw Chris Appleton do it. He is the hair god. So if he says it, I'm going to do it. Colour Wow Mystical Shine Spray. I don't know why this scares me so much. But... okay. Oh. Hold on. I've just put my fringe in a roller, but... can you see this? Okay, wait. I'm obsessed with this. I am obsessed with this.